Next, motion due to random collision of electrons contributes to drift velocity. नहीं, it does not contribute क्योंकि random motion का तो zero हो जाएगा. So second will be correct over here. Next is drift velocity of electrons is due to random collision और electric पर तो electric field की वजह से होता है. Second will be correct. Next, the relation J is equal to rho v should be applied to all type of charge carriers. Each type separately. तो each type separately पे ये applied होना चाहिए तो second आ जाएगा. Next, in a conducting wire, the total current and charge density arise from positive charge, negative, both दोनों की वजह से आता है. थर्ड आ जाएगा. Next, for a conducting wire, तो conducting wire में for a conducting wire तो रो जो है वो दोनों के सम के इक्वल हो जाएगा. न्यूट्रल वायर के लिए भाई न्यूट्रल है तो टोटल करंट चार्ज डेंसिटी जीरो होगा. सो सेकंड विल बी करेक्ट. और न्यूट्रल कंडक्टिंग वायर के लिए क्योंकि पॉजिटिव चार्जेस का वेलोसिटी लगभग जीरो होता है क्योंकि इमोबिल होते हैं तो फर्स्ट आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर अ न्यूट्रल वायर तो टोटल डेंसिटी जीरो आ जाएगा. द रिलेशन J is equal to rho W is applicable to total charge density. नहीं, it is not applicable to total current charge density. सेकंड करेक्ट होगा. सो किरचॉफ जंक्शन रूल इज बेस्ड ऑन कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज पे बेस्ड है. सेकंड आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, बेंडिंग और रीओरिएंटिंग करंट कैरिंग वायर changes the validity. It does not change the validity. So second will be correct over here. So in this way we have discussed chapter 3 till now, and it's just a tool to optimize your time and energy. So before starting this chapter, we assume that you have studied it in your classes, and we assume that you know all and every formula related to this. The purpose of this question answer session is to optimize your time for reading NCERT, as the language is quite tough and it's not possible to cover NCERT in a proper time. So this question answer session is just a way to optimize your time and energy. So it's a prior assumption that you know every formula, every relation based for this particular chapter, and it's just a NCERT optimization tool. We have tried our best to keep it error free, but if there are some error, you can